My name is Robin Summerhill. I'm from a company called Emu Analytics, and we've been partnering with FCC for probably the last 3 months to build this awesome tool called the City Data Explorer. And I've got 5 minutes to tell you about it, which is not long. So if I get overrun, please pull me off. But I'm basically going to build a map in less than 3 minutes with a brand new tool in front of 100 people while wearing a lapel mic. So here goes. Okay, so the tool is, there's two aspects to it. You can use it to showcase and share your data, your spatial data. And we've got this preloaded with some curated maps that are showing data from the digital connector. So if you've used that tool, you'll see things that you recognize here, like we've got active travel, we've got green space, social isolation. So the tool is basically visualizing that output from the digital connector. And you can use it to upload your own output. You can use it to upload your own shapefiles, GeoJSON, and create maps. We've also got in here maps relating to Barking and Dagenham's manifesto. And you'll see every map has a nice description, a nice key. You can look at the recipe that was used in the digital connector to create the map. You can also export and share. What I'm going to do is move on to actually creating a map. How long have I got left? 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to start with social isolation as a jumping off point. I'm going to search for barking and zoom in. And what I'm going to do is go to the playground, which is this awesome part of the app which lets me mix data together, blend it, produce a map. So what we have here is we can give the map a name, we can give it a description, and every data layer on the map has its little section here where we set up the style, and we can also choose from 4 base maps. What I'm going to do is, I think all those rows are a bit annoying. I'm going to turn them off. Let's see, let's go with that. I'm going to change the palette. Okay, so this is a polygon layer. This is social isolation by LSOA. And we're showing the social isolation index here. We can switch to any of the components in the index. So we can look at over 65s, the deprived index. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to public datasets where we've got a range of curated datasets, and I'm going to add a dataset that we've provided for the hackathon, which is important buildings from OS Open Map. I'm going to add that to the current map. Okay, so we've now got the second point layer. What I'm going to do is we're going to shrink the size a little bit. I'm just really going through this very fast, and I hope we have the opportunity over the weekend to go through this in more detail. What I'm doing here is I'm adding a filter because I'm just interested in buildings that have an education theme. And we're going to switch back to the map, and we are going to add a label with the name. So here we've got schools embarking overlaid on social isolation. I'm going to export it to an A4 size PNG, and press print. I'll show that quickly because it's not actually the right map. Okay, so I can save the map. Here we go, save the map. And here it is, it appears under My Maps. Everyone who logs in can create an account and log in. And there we are. I can share a link to that map. So whoever has that link gets to a live view of that map, can use the tool, zoom in, add their own data layers, all that sort of stuff. So that was very quick, and it's going to be amazing if some of you can use the tool this weekend. We'd love to have some feedback. Look at that little tiny PowerPoint. Why is that so small? There we go. That's my one and only slide, and isn't she a beauty? The big URL is the thing that you need to know. Hit that, create an account, create a map. Okay.